Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from ShyGotEm On Cam, and the title of the video is Police Save Lady from Pitbull Attack. Yes, I have started a second channel, and this is the type of content that I'll be posting. Still body cam stuff, but different, going out there getting my own footage and stuff like that now. So I'm not gonna talk too much because obviously I've seen this video, but we'll get back together at the end and I'll give you guys, my thoughts and stuff on things that's going on. So enjoy. On this episode of ShyGotEm On Cam, we have an officer who observed two dogs attacking a victim while patrolling the area. As the officer was exiting their vehicle, a concerned citizen who is also a concealed carry license holder discharged their firearm at both dogs, fatally wounding one. The second dog remained next to the victim, and this is what happened next.
Oh, 8444. Hold on.
8444, there's a man?
Yes. No. Woo, 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 woo. No, wait. 84, 35. What's this, Loomis? 8435, Racine.
You gonna have to shoot that dog.
Go ahead.
The man take video. Okay,
8435 Racine. I need an ambulance over here.
gotcha, ma'am. 8435 over here. Got an ambulance.
Shit out there, lady, man.
8435 Racine. There's a car heading that way. 13, we have you going over there for her. 620 driven out.
Let me get an ambulance over here. Watch out, sir. Back up. Back up. 611, I have a citizen that discharged their firearm. Oh, you have a... Oh.
No, not in my car.
8435 Racine. 8435. Come on, they coming, baby. Yeah. No, it won't. And I have another one that's on the loose as well, probably going down the south. No, you fine. I got it.
I have an officer on scene right now. There was a lady that
611, I have a point incident. We need an ambulance over here for this lady.
on 8435. What street is this? What street is it? On Racine. I had to shoot two dogs.
Where the other dog go?
He went back to the back hallway.
Come on. It's another one. It's a brown dog.
That's when you shot the brown dog?
How many?
It's two. 3 shots. You shot the brown right here?
This dog, it's another one though. It's a bigger one.
Yeah, I see you.
This dog gonna have to go down.
620.
Gonna have to.
20, go ahead. Alright, everybody take a breath. I'm on my way.
They coming, ma'am. They coming. Who dog is this? Who dog do you know, ma'am? They coming.
Okay. Get the color of the dog.
It's a gray and black Pitbull. It's still standing over her. I don't want to hit her.
I get somebody over with the dog right now.
What do you do?
I'm ex-military police, but I'm a dog trainer as well. I'm also teaching Leo.
How can we move this dog without hitting her? It's sick. Watch out, watch out. We gotta lure this dog away. No.
I'm just saying that's the
dog.
My in the car. Hey, sir.
Step back, step back.
I got dog trainers that are in the area as well.
He hit though.
Yeah.
No, I got him, they coming. I promise they coming, I promise.
Dedicated ambulance 30 is on the way. Let us know when they arrive, guys.
They're coming, they're coming. No, you're not. No, you're not. Don't say that, please. Don't say that. Don't say that. Don't say that.
What?
No, you're not. They coming right now. Stop moving, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move.
5292, event 02672.
I am dead.
No, you are not.
I can't. Ah, man.
Stop. I just don't want to
Dog live in that house. Another dog loose too. She done got bit up, so we kind of the dog.
Are you familiar with how to? Are you the owner, ma'am?
No, she's not the owner.
Okay. Oh, no, you fine.
She bit somebody last week.
This same dog?
Yeah. That one is another one. It's another dog.
So it's in the house.
Yeah.
It's a brown one.
Yeah, brown one. And it's another. And this is the black one of last week. We can get him now.
You ain't got no choice. He can't move.
Stop moving.
Stop, ma'am. Don't move.
Where you at?
They right here.
Oh my God, I ain't never. I'm dead.
Woo! He hopping up.
What's your name?
It's another one right here behind you. I didn't see the visual. It's injured, but that don't mean he won't bite her. He's gonna come.
Puppy.
694.
Give me another one.
Be careful.
I don't want to lift this thing.
Shot from here.
It's gonna have to. Yeah, I already know.
You gotta put him down.
Put him down, please. I got it.
Get my hands here.
694.
Please.
I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to.
That one was yesterday for some protected district. We got on. Make sure I can follow this thing.
611. I had to put the dog down.
Put the dog down.
I might want to block that street off too.
They say a dog is a man's best friend, but as we see, similar to the Lil Durk case, your best friend can turn their back on you as well. The victim was transported to the hospital where she is expected to make a full recovery. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Click the next video that is on the screen now. Yep. So, what do you guys think? What do you think? Yeah, so, this is the second channel. Obviously we still post very heavily on here. We're gonna keep cranking out the videos. You know what I mean? This is the main channel. Videos are gonna be posted less frequently on the second channel, but I just want to let you guys know that there is a second channel where it's just police body cam footage. It takes time. Getting into this game does take time. I have a tremendous amount of respect for all these other channels that do the body cam videos, because now that I'm hopping into that field, boy, like, just to get one piece of footage is like, it take a minute. You know what I'm saying? Like putting in the request and then them coming back, and you know, for you to get a response, and then some police departments charge you to receive the footage. You know what I'm saying? Which is pretty crazy, but they charge you because they gotta blur out certain personal information and stuff like that. But it's still like, it's a price you have. It's one of them hefty tabs. And if you ever see anybody got footage from Sarasota or any of those places, boy, are they paying a hefty ticket, boy. They hit me over the head for, man, I ain't even gonna get into all of that. But yeah, you know, go over there. I'll pull up the channel real quick, so you guys can see what the channel looks like. You know, let's see. Yep, so this is what it looks like. You know, ShyGotEm On Cam. You know, police body cam footage. We got 3 videos up right now. Literally started it, you know, whatever, today. So it was actually an older channel that I had, where I was doing like video game content and stuff like that. That's why you see 100 and something followers and stuff, or subscribers. But decided to, you know, kill that channel and bring it back and start getting into the body cam niche, because I really do like this niche. And you know, just don't put all your eggs in one basket, man. But I hope you guys go over there, support. The link will be in the comment section or in the description or whatever. Yeah, man, I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam, 2K shit that get a nigga lean.